Okay, Miss Milo, you wanna go out? You wanna go outside? Let's go outside. Come on. Come on. It's kind of muddy. Yes, it is. What do you want to do? Kind of wet and muddy. You want to go look at the goldfish? Want to go to the fish pond? Let's go find the goldfish. Yes, let's go find the goldfish. Come on. Let's say we have a peek at the fish. Yeah, I saw a few. There were some. The water's a little brown. We need to maybe do a little work with that. Well, we're out here at our front garden. There's not a lot coming up yet. Well, I mean, there's a lot of green, but a lot of that actually is weeds. There's some chamomile over there. We've got some pretty pink flowers. I've just planted a whole lot of stuff. No, you can't go all the way up in there. Lord knows what you'll find in there. Nope. Milo, that's far enough. Milo, that's far enough. Never get you out of there. Come here. Oh my goodness. What a face you're making. Look at that face you're making. Oh my goodness. Oh, what does it smell like? Huh? What did that smell like? I don't know what she smells. The bush itself has a funky smell. She wants to go out there, but I don't want to walk in it yet. Because I can't, I got brand new things coming up and I can't see them all yet. You know what? I know what she smells. Our gray cat, barn cat Cinder, likes to hang out here, and that's probably what she's smelling. Come on. Come on, Milo. She really doesn't want to be anywhere near the goldfish pond. I don't like that running water. I can see the fish when we first walked over here. They went and hid as soon as they heard us. Heather doesn't know what to do. I won't let her go where she wants to go. No, we're not going out into the flower bed. I do not want to step on stuff. Come on. We got brand new baby plants out there. Come on. She's mad at me. She's mad at me. Punch it. There you go. What do you think, huh? Got a chair to sit in? Are you unhappy with me? Are you unhappy? Huh? What are you doing? Oh no, now we're tangled. And now we're tangled. Now what? What'd you do now? What do you want to do? Oh, you really have to go this way. I'm going to go for a walk over here. Somebody just doesn't understand how muddy it is. We wanted to go in the vegetable garden, but unfortunately, because she does this, she can't right now. I've sprayed the grass around the edges of the vegetable garden, so she can't go in there until that grass is gone. You're gonna make yourself sick. You're gonna make yourself sick. Let's say we walk a little bit. We had a mild disaster, didn't we? Yes, I accidentally dropped my camera on her head. I was trying to make some adjustments, and we dropped the camera, and it landed. Hey, bug in your head. Landed on her head, didn't it? You want to go in the house now? She said, I didn't like it. I freaked out. She said, I freaked out, my tail puffed up, and I ran off. Okay, future reference, she can't get out of her harness. Yeah, she's done. Okay, hold on. Hold on. She goes, I don't want to be outside no more. I don't want to be outside no more. That was scary. Honey, I can't open the door. Okay. My goodness. I'm sorry. Oh, I just ruined it, didn't I? Poor baby. Oh. Mom ruined outdoor time, didn't we? Here, let's take this back off. Oh my goodness. She's poor little thing. She's still shaking her head. I'm sorry, it was an accident. She said, Mom, you ruined outdoor time. She said, you just totally ruined it. I'm sorry. I was trying to make an adjustment for the GoPro and hold her leash and hold the camera at the same time. And I dropped the camera and it didn't hit her flat on, but it did get her as it fell. It just scared the hell out of her. Didn't it scare you, huh? I'm so sorry, pretty girl. Will you forgive me? Are you gonna forgive me? I'm so sorry. Good thing we were at home and not like at a truck stop when that happened, huh? So if she freaks out and starts jumping backwards, she can get out of that harness. She ran a little bit. She didn't go very far, and she stopped and let me get her. But boy, was she scared. I said, Mom, I wasn't expecting it. It scared the heck out of me. Poor pretty girl, she's all shook up. Come here, baby. Hey, come here. I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness. You ever do something to your pet on accident and then you feel terrible about it? Poor little thing. I couldn't get her to calm down. She didn't know what happened. I know. She says, you are going to have to bring me good treats after that. That's going to take some work to make up for. Isn't it? I'm sorry. I really am. Okay. Well, everybody, I'm going to have to go find some really, really good treats and maybe a feather toy. So we can, feather toy. So we can make up for this mishap. Well, you guys all have a good day. Hopefully our truck will be fixed soon so we can get back on the road.